नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हो सब? सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फुटबॉल टुडे एंड बात करते हैं मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड वर्सेस लियोन. एक ही शब्द है, सिनेमा. दिस वाज एन एब्सोल्यूट सिनेमा जहाँ पे दोनों साइड से गोल्स पे गोल्स आ रहे हैं, दोनों साइड पे कुछ ना कुछ हंगामा चल रहा है. लेट्स गेट इनटू ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल इस सिनेमा का. ठीक है, फर्स्ट किससे स्टार्ट करें? फर्स्ट हाफ से ही स्टार्ट करता हूँ.
Yeah, we'll start with the first half, but I think let's just not call it a match analysis. This is just beauty of football that we are talking about today, because it was just a crazy cinematic performance. Just to tell you what the stage was, first leg हो चुका था between Manchester United and Lyon, and it was a 2-2 draw. Man U was comfortably winning 2-1, but then last moment पे Cherki just did the equalizer, and then 2-2 हो गया. Now this was the game. This was going to decide who moves forward in Europa League. And both the teams came to the stage. Man U in a crazy fashion, beautiful football they showcased. Right at 10 minutes, Ugarte scores, and then first half 2-0 up, very sorted, very secure.
So first वाला गोल भी काफ़ी अच्छा था. गर्नाचो का जो रन था and the way he assisted, it was absolutely great. उसके बाद डेलॉट का भी गोल काफ़ी अच्छा था. Lyon showed fighting spirit जहाँ पे they didn't give up so easily, and because of which उन्होंने भी 2 गोल स्कोर कर दिए. Now, why we call it cinema is because second half में जैसे ही हम चाहते हैं, Lyon scores 2 goals. And यहाँ पे we don't expect such kind of performance from United, जहाँ पे वो easily ऐसा, you know, इतना
तो concede नहीं करना चाहिए. They were attacking for most of the first half. They should have scored one more, but that never happened.
Yes.
Now, because now it's again a 2-2 equalizer, now we move to extra time. And extra time is where the cinema starts rolling to its finale. And oh my god, the chaos. इसके just पहले 89 मिनट पे टॉलिसो गेट्स अ रेड कार्ड, which was I think very controversial, very small tackle. उसके लिए रेड कार्ड नहीं मिलना चाहिए था, but मिल गया. Fuck it. We move to the extra time. Extra time, Lyon just comes in with some crazy performance. They just scored 2 beautiful goals.
Yes.
One Lacazette penalty, one was Chelsea's goal, and just comfortably you're in the extra time. People are already tired. Everyone is just trying to end the game, and you're now 2-0 up.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't expect them to score 2 goals, that too with 10 men. And this is what the beauty of football is, ना. तो उन्होंने स्कोर तो कर दिया, and after that I completely gave up कि अब यूनाइटेड करने से रहा.
I think Lyon also did, because Lacazette का गोल का celebration देखो तुम लोग. It was like they've just made it. हो गया, the game is close
Done
for
and
them.
dusted वहीं पर.
And wow, they couldn't have been any wrong, because as soon as the second half of that extra time began, Man U हो गई पागल. Bruno Fernandes got a penalty. As soon as he scored that, सबका mentality just activate हो गया. Then came Kobe Mainoo, potentially one of the most beautiful strikes of his career, and then he equalizes.
Yes, and lastly, who else? Who other than Lord Maguire, जिसने वो काफ़ी अच्छा हेडर स्कोर किया. बट ऑल्सो क्रेडिट गोज टू कैसेमेरो, बिकॉज द वे ही वॉज प्लेइंग, ही टर्न इनटू वो रियल मैड्रिड का प्राइम कैसेमेरो जो होता है ना. ही टर्न आउट टू बी दैट प्लेयर जहाँ पे उसने 2 असिस्ट किया, एंड ही वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्राइंग टू अटैक एंड डू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ मैजिक, जो कि काफ़ी एक्सेप्शनल था कंसिडरिंग वो जिस तरह मेन्यू में खेलता आ रहा है.
This is what happens when you stay in the midfield for so many years with Kroos and Modric. You learn how to pass. Sadly, for some reason, Madrid team कभी सीख नहीं पाई. But Casemiro on point, 2 crazy assists, and then what should we talk about this guy, Harry Maguire? Yes. This man is just, I don't know what to talk about him. He's like the toxic ex that you have. He will either make you hate him or directly fall in love with you. There is nothing in between, and he just made it. Yeah. And Manchester United के fans जो सारे fully down थे stadium में, suddenly the stadium just went wide and beauty.
You could also see a lot of clips on Instagram जहाँ पे fans who left early after वो 2 goals पड़े, वो लोग बाहर स्टेडियम के बाहर से एक छोटा सा टीवी था, और वो टीवी में ऐसे देख रहे हैं कि यूनाइटेड स्कोर्ड, एंड द हैप्पीनेस ऑन देयर फेस. आई हैव आल्सो सीन सम फैंस क्राई उस मोमेंट में. यार मतलब मैं भी रो देता अगर मैं वहां पे होता, ऑब्वियसली.
We wanted to see something like this from Real Madrid against Arsenal.
जो
वो तो नहीं हो पाया, but this match just showcased why we freaking love this game of football, because there is always those times when your team is losing and you're just like, यार technically तो हो सकता है 3-4 मिनट में 2 goals हो जाना चाहिए. It's just 2 men who have to run across the pitch and make it happen. And then finally जब ऐसे matches आते हैं जहाँ पे just everything is there, everyone is playing for every second of the match, and crazy score lines happen. मजा आ
Let's see, United is able to continue with this momentum जहाँ पे वो
They should.
आगे जाए and trophy भी जीत ले because it had been a long time they had been trophyless, so I hope and I pray कि इस season वो जीत जाए कुछ ना कुछ at least. So yeah, that's it from our side. Thank you for making us a part of your day.
Thank you so much, guys.